Welcome to the finest, most animated clown puppet show, introducing your favorite seductive, evil but lovable clown, Madeline G. What do you mean Madeline G is the starting act? Is the audience telling me that they were originally here to see Madeline G? But I thought I was gonna be the starting act. I was always the starting act before that dreadful excuse of a clown puppet came in, and is now always the starting act. I'm the star! I used to be the absolute favorite when it came to this show. Everyone came to see me. And then Madeline came. Apparently, she's your guys' favorite, but she's a poor excuse of a clown. Well, you putrid audience, if you love Madeline, you're going to absolutely love me. And if you don't, well, I've got something else for you. Hello and welcome to the show. My thoughts will probably offend you. And my name is Michelle McDaniel, and I'm gonna put this knife down so I do not hurt myself. Safety first, kids, or whatever you humans say. If you are wondering what is going on, let me introduce myself. My name is Michelle McDaniel. I am a personal trainer, a very proud mother of a pug, and as you can see, a cosplayer. And if you have been watching my channel for a while now and you haven't put two and two together, I am very obsessed with clowns. To the point where me and my subscribers created a clown called Madeline G. And this is a new one, someone that really despises Madeline G. She was the favorite of the Puppet Master, and then Madeline G came on in and took her spotlight. And no woman of the theater likes when that happens. And did I mention they are also killer puppets, clowns? So if my subscribers want to name this one and create a tiny little backstory in the comment section like we did with good old Madeline G, I would love that. And I'll read it on camera again like I did with Madeline G. I feel very bad for whoever is very scared of clowns, because it's only gonna get worse as Halloween comes closer and closer, along with the book that I'm writing, or like the mini story that I'm writing surrounding all of these clown characters. So with all that being said, I know last time I said that the next time I see you guys, it's gonna be Powerpuff Girls week. But then this amazing thing happened where a girl reached out and she said, could I draw for you for some of your story times? And I was like, yeah, she just wanted to volunteer. So I wanted to give her a little bit more time because I fit in a little bit of a story time in the first episode of Powerpuff Girls Week on this channel. So that's gonna start either Tuesday or Wednesday. I wanted to make sure I give her enough time so that we can see how she interprets my story through her drawings. Now for today's video, if you people needed a sign that Flat Tummy Tea or companies like it didn't give a fuck about you or your colon or your health, here it is. Once again, supplement companies are acting like clowns and hiring clowns. And this little clown does not stand for Madeline G or these Flat Tummy Tea companies. Flat Tummy Tea is now sponsoring a girl called Woah Vicky. Who is Woah Vicky, you might be asking? She is a human that got famous by saying that she's black on camera.
Yes, my birthday is March 7th, but July 19th was the day I found out I was black. Like my whole entire life, my mom kept telling me, you're white, you're white. I never believed her because I knew I was black, but July 19th, I did some history. I went on Ancestry.com and I found I'm 25% black.
Woah Vicky's legal name is Victoria Waldrop, a 19-year-old Instagram model who says she's 44% black. Once Victoria discovered her level of blackness, she immediately started to talk in a very exaggerated black tone.
The look. And real niggas always keep a few bands on them. So keep your pockets fat with money. The next you gotta get the walk. Sit here and tell me what race I am. If I say I'm black, then I'm black. I see my Ancestry.com. Y'all did it. Yeah, my hair might be blonde and straight. Y'all ain't never heard of a perm or a straightener?
I like to call it watched BET Once syndrome. Victoria speaks about very enlightening topics that help her very young audience want to be the very best individuals that they can be. Things like getting money, rapping about various topics,
real ass bitch, give a fuck.
and of course whatever is going on here.
You puss assholes could never put this fine at a gas station. Period. Vicky is thinking of hoes all 2016. Period. Yeah.
If your human child or your clown child is following Victoria, they are on a very promising path. Anyway, so Woah Vicky made a post on Instagram about what the protein or meal replacement shake from the company Flat Tummy Co. does for her. Hashtag ad, I'm out here drinking my flat tummy shake so I can make them all jealous. One shake a day and my cravings stay away. Unlike your boyfriend, I'ma keep this going to get ready to put all these girls to shame. Hashtag body goals. I love how people have to deliberately spell things wrong or spell things a certain way when they type, as if she's trying to prove that I speak like this in real life. I speak like this so much in real life that I even type like it. Hashtag ad. You know I be looking like a snack already, but flat tummy shake's gonna get me looking like a meal. They be packed with all the essential nutrients to keep me full and energized so I can take on all these haters. Check them out. Well, let's see if Miss Vicky's Flat Tummy Company can give her enough energy to take on science. I know in these posts that Woah Vicky is talking about the protein shakes, but I want to take a look at the other product that this company seems to just blast and market with a lot of people that have a high Instagram or, social media following, the detox teas. I like to call them poop teas, diarrhea teas, bloody butthole teas, just a few names that I like to give these type of teas. So in the past, multiple times, we have talked about why these detox type teas or detox type supplements in any of them, whether in tea form or pill form, are very bad for you and just outright ridiculous. But for the new subscribers who are nice enough to stick around even though you were originally here for Madeline freaking G, I can go over it for you again. Their marketing is very misleading. It's basically drink it and you get a flat tummy, when it should say drink it and you will have explosive diarrhea all over your poor toilet. Rip you, your toilet, and your bumhole. This company claims that if you drink their product that it will just cleanse out your system and cleanse everything out, but the funny thing is about that, you human, and us puppet clowns too, when we turn into humans, have something in our body that does it already. It's just so funny because we literally have a built-in system in our bodies. It's called our kidneys, and those are free. But weird clown girl, I did a detox and I lost so much weight within like 4 days. Well, yes, of course you did. You took a huge fat, diarrhea, sloppy dump all over your toilet. You're going to lose something. But that something that you lost within a matter of days is going to come back because it wasn't fat that you actually lost. It's bodily fluid that your body really needed. So what you're telling me is that you want to pay $36 for a 4-week program to detox your body, aka give you the shits, for something your body can do for free and naturally. I'm just sneaking in a little business lesson here, and the answer to that question is no. Now let me tell you what the funny thing is about this 4-week program and the proof as to why these people who sell these things don't give an absolute poop about your health. Most of these products have an ingredient called senna root or senna leaf in the product. Senna is an FDA approved laxative, helps to treat constipation and clear the bowels of patients who just went under a colonoscopy, not to help them lose weight or give them a flat tummy. And as you can see, the first ingredient in this cleanse is senna. Now the funny thing is about this goofy clown company is that they have a 4-week program. They want you to take this tea for 4 weeks and go through this cleanse for 4 weeks. But post-colonoscopy, they only prescribe senna for about 2 weeks, and there is some very serious reasons as to why they do that. After 2 weeks, your bowels stop functioning normally. Long-term use can change the balance of the chemicals in your blood, which can cause heart functioning disorders, liver damage, muscle weakness, all for $36. So now that I have proven to you that this company has at least one piece of shit product, let's get back to Woah Vicky and her claims on the protein shake. I'm sorry, the flat tummy shake. So similar to the other products of this line, the flat tummy tea, it's the whole drink it and you get a flat tummy. So let's review what Woah Vicky claims that this product does. One shake a day and my cravings stay away. They be packed with all essential nutrients to keep me full and energized to take on the haters. The first one you can't really prove. Maybe a shake a day helps her get rid of the cravings. It always depends on the person. Personally, if I crave chocolate, a chocolate shake or a chocolate protein shake would probably help me.
Could we interest you in some chocolate?
Chocolate! Chocolate! if I crave hot Cheetos, a chocolate shake probably is not going to give me the same satisfaction as hot Cheetos does. So that's kind of a broad statement, but once again, it depends on the person. But let's talk about good old number 2. No, not the kind that you're gonna be having if you take those flat tummy teas. Woah Vicky's second claim. 5 major essential nutrients you need for your body to function are carbs, which provides energy, protein, which builds muscle and repairs muscle tissue, fats provide backup energy, your body uses fats for energy when carbs are not available, vitamins and minerals, and water. So the flat tummy shake has a variety of vitamins, but that's not what I'm focusing on. They market this as a meal replacement with everything I need to have in a meal. But if you look here, they have 21 grams of protein, but 1 gram of fat and 8 grams of carbs, and the calories of this meal is 125 calories. It doesn't sound so much like a complete meal to me that's going to satisfy me for a few hours like meals usually do, because it is missing 2 very major essential nutrients, along with it being a very low calorie meal. If someone whose goal was to lose weight replaced one of their meals with one of these 125 calorie shakes, most likely they would lose weight because an average meal is going to be around 300 to 600 calories. So you replace a 300 to 600 calorie meal with a 125 calorie shake, yes, overall you will probably be in a calorie deficit, which we all know a calorie deficit is the main thing that you need to lose weight. But this would be very hard to sustain and keep the weight off because, like I said, a 125 calorie meal is really hard to sustain because most likely you're going to get hungry, and that is the main reason most people quit diets, because they are hungry and they think they're supposed to be hungry, which you should not be starving on a diet. Just to put it in perspective to you humans, 125 calories is like eating a pretty large apple. Is an apple going to keep you completely satiated for hours? Most people who have a very huge appetite for food and souls are going to say no. So just to backtrack a little bit to her number 1 about it's going to just like solve all her cravings, I kind of highly doubt that now, because if I'm used to eating 300 to 600 calories for my lunch and then I replace it with a 125 calorie powder drink. I don't know, I put those in quotes. I'm supposed to say meal replacement because technically it is a powdered drink, but a meal replacement, according to the company, I'm gonna get hungry, and I know when I get very hungry and try to just not pay attention to my hunger, then the cravings start settling in. And then the very evil thoughts about me eating a whole cheesecake mixed with a bunch of human souls start entering my mind, and then I do it! I do it and I eat it all! But you humans would probably just eat the cake, and I don't think that's what you want if you're trying to lose weight. So it looks like her number 1 is flawed, and it looks like her number 2 is flawed as well, because it's definitely not packed with all the essential nutrients to, what did she say? Keep me full and energized to take on the haters. It won't keep her energized either, because once again, 125 calories isn't going to do much, especially if you are active. Something else that I noticed about this company, because I am very careful with my money now that I do not get these star roles in these performances, is that the company wants you to have this meal replacement shake once a day. There's 20 servings, so if you had this every single day, you would be spending $66.75 or $80, I guess it depends if they are having a sale or not, less than every 3 weeks. And that's a lot of money on powdered. And that's why you shouldn't buy this, because you don't need it. 2, do you really want to give your money to a company that doesn't give a shit about you and your health and your butthole? Because if they did, they wouldn't be selling these crappy products, making these crappy, unrealistic claims, and picking people to represent their company who don't know absolute about health. They wouldn't seek out an influencer to hold their product who purely got popular by acting like a black stereotype.
Can't work like me, you bitches don't work like me. So I don't want to hear all that shit talking, because at the day, I'm working 10 times harder than you bitches, and that's on period.
They would put more time into their product. They wouldn't be selling a product that the first ingredient is senna and say to take it for 4 weeks. So would you guys buy this product? Do you want to destroy your colon? These are all questions that I have for you that I am looking forward for you to answer, so I can read all of them in the comment section. Thank you guys so much for staying for my whole performance. It means so much to me. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, the thumbs up button, share this video if one of your friends are planning on ruining their colon for $36 plus shipping and handling, and then following it up with a meal replacement shake that is not actually a meal replacement. Next time I see you guys, I will probably be a very iconic character from the classic show Powerpuff Girls. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Oh wait, I don't need a flex. I have a knife.